A federal decision to cut $11 billion in public health grants may impact a local nonprofit's mission. Last month, the Department of Health and Human Services stated it would stop providing the funds which were allocated by Congress during the COVID-19 pandemic. The cuts would likely impact some programs at Friends in Need. That health center works to provide health care services for people in need of assistance across our region. News Channel 11's Ethan Offit explains how the group is preparing for potential changes.
A local nonprofit healthcare provider that does not charge their patients will be losing thousands of dollars in the next fiscal year, but leaders say they are prepared. Friends in Need located in Kingsport will be losing $10,000 a month of state funding on July 1st when the new fiscal year starts. That money they are losing is leftover COVID-19 pandemic funds.
We've noticed a decrease in foundational funding, which is actual private donations, but most importantly, it is COVID funding that's going away.
Darnell says the loss of funding will impact different services, but instead of scaling back, they're looking to continue to provide care.
We're actually looking at it a different way of actually continuing growth. We are expanding dental at this moment. We're planning to open up a new dental operatory, which will be our 7th. In the past year and a half, we went from 3, we doubled to 6 at the beginning of 2024.
Dr. Keith Usri, who owns Hampton Dental Group, says dental care is a major need for the area and that funding is important to keep dental clinics growing.
Things are getting more expensive. Hygienists are, since there's such a shortage, so reasonably so, hygienists are asking for more salary. With that being said, supply costs are also getting more expensive.
Although Friends in Need will be losing federal dollars, they're hoping to receive funds from the Tennessee legislature.
The additional funding is $3 million. It goes for a safety net program. It's based on encounters, which are actually patient visits, both medical and dental. So ever how many encounters the clinic has a month, it comes out of that pot of money.
Darnell says although they are losing money, they will be adding 7 new dental chairs to continue providing care to the region. In Kingsport, Ethan Offit, News Channel 11.